That is the most beautiful. I just bought this 79-year-old airplane for only $10,000.
We love the airplane. She has such history for my wife and I in our relationship. Our first airplane, my first airplane, literally my engagement ring. So we're emotionally attached.
I mean, we did the math on it a whole bunch, and it doesn't make sense to repair this airplane.
Oh, jeez, what a shame. That's a shame. Yep. R.I.P. Penelope.
But we're gonna do it anyway.
What?
We can't let this airplane go to the graveyard. Today is the big day, the big reveal, and it's either gonna be it'll be fine or it could possibly go wrong. This is such a bad idea. We have done so much work to this airplane over the past almost year. The first major issue was a very broken engine.
On the case, what we're looking for is fretting here in the journal.
Yeah, it's all garbage. Next, we had to do something about this old, worn out paint. Now that we have everything stripped off and taken apart, we can begin the long, arduous journey of rebuilding. After months of searching, I found a new engine on Facebook Marketplace. It even came with a brand new propeller.
Oh, yes.
The engine shop opened it up to make sure everything was good to go.
Looks good. You're good to go, man.
Sweet! Now it was time to pick up the new avionics we were going to put in it. Once we got the goods, we visited our favorite Sparky for the wiring harness. Now we can start the fun part of putting it all back together. That's where it ended up. You're eating it for lunch. Do you like it? Is it the steak one?
Yeah.
Is it good?
I already ate the steak on those.
Yeah. There's shrimp in there?
That's good too.
What? Man, is there any meals left? Because look, they done ate all my meals. Oh, there's one left back in there. Which one is it? Blackened salmon? Heck yes! 2 minutes to perfection. How hot is fire? No refined seed oils, no refined sugars. When you use the code Jimmy's World 50, you get 50% off plus one breakfast meal for a year. That comes out to less than $8 per meal. You can't even eat out for that cheap. The other one I got was a truffle butter filet mignon. Yeah, this one made it all of about 10 minutes after we opened the box. I've been doing Factor for a couple of years now, so go check them out, factor75.com. Use the code Jimmy's World 50 and get 50% off your first order plus one breakfast meal for a year. I usually select the lunch plan, 5 meals a day just for me, because when I'm out running around, it's super easy just to pop these things in the microwave and get rolling. They're also a lot cheaper than eating out, and they taste a million times better. They have all kinds of different diets, so whatever your dietary restrictions are, you just plug it in whenever you go to order, and all your meals will come with those in mind. So go ahead and eat one of these things while you're putting Christmas decorations up, because it is that time of year again. Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas to me. Let's go up. Thank you, Jesus. Bam, there it is. Penelope's got wires and got stuff. Shut the front door. And it all comes down to today. And they haven't seen the airplane yet either. Yeah, so, okay. So you're gonna stand here. You're gonna be looking that way.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
I'll be right back.
him.
Yeah, this is torture. Sweet torture at that. I hear life. I hear a running engine that sounds very healthy.
What she used to sound like. But even
Starts
better.
right up like she always
She always did, yeah.
Always.
The first throw, yeah. Oh no.
Okay,
Listen to
definitely
her.
getting nervous.
That's her. Oh my god!
That is the most beautiful airplane in the world.
Thank you. Oh, Jimmy. Bless your heart, Penelope. Oh, bless your heart. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh, God. Thank you. I believe it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh, Jimmy. Oh my God.
That is
You gave her the life she deserves.
the most beautiful airplane in the world. That is the most beautiful airplane
I
in the world.
know. You can't get over it.
That's what she
Magnificence
deserved
that she
all
deserves.
along. Yes, as we talk in stereo.
Yeah, stereo speak. 28 years that happens.
Oh my word.
Oh my God.
Everything on this is new.
Oh wow.
So, Watt and Whelen, all new LED lights all the way around. New propeller, brand new zero-time engine on it. The landing gear was taken down and redone, all new wheels and brakes and all that stuff. We finished out the interior on it. Come on in, I'll show you more stuff. Everything that you could put on this engine and airplane has been done to it. The SkyTech starter, the alternator, which was already on there, so thankfully that was the one thing I didn't have to buy. All new Garmin avionics. So we have a GPS here. We have 275s, a full engine monitoring system. Yeah, we have a lithium battery in it from EarthX. They sponsored us for that and made sure we got that.
Oh my word.
The interior, the panels, they were missing a few panels. We got all the interior finished out. Fresh annual. And
Unbelievable.
well, we haven't flown it yet because I told you that I don't think you should be the first one to fly it, if I'm honest with you. We're gonna have after its test flight, after we take it through that, I would be honored if you would get in the left seat again.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Here, climb up on in. Climb, go around.
I was in right seat.
Go on, get around. Get in the right
And our
seat.
dog would be in the back seat.
Oh, good.
And we would fly down the California coast with a high 8 camera with a Walkman, listening to music, flying to the music, filming, flying down the California coast. What I love is you kept the
Yes.
120 feel with
Oh, yeah.
the panel.
Wow,
Because
that's
that's what it-
really cool.
we
That
didn't
is
We
want
have
so
a
cool.
plastic trim piece, so just pretend this trim piece is on here.
Yeah.
Just
Okay.
small details.
But this is great because this is such a unique feature of the 120, and it's there.
Yeah.
And instead of losing the panel and making it look like a modern airplane, it has modern avionics, but it's still a classic panel.
That's right.
Used to be a pull starter, but now it's the push button, but it's still no key, which is the way it should be.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you
yes,
for
so
taking
much.
care of our baby. Thank you for taking. There's a lot of love you've put in that we wanted to put in.
Yes.
And
Absolutely.
knowing that we were coming for the reveal, What I said this morning especially was, I said, what hurts me and also gives me great pride, it hurts me that I wasn't the one to do it. But it's more important that it got done. And she's beautiful.
Yes.
She's beautiful.
You want to start it up, don't you? I see your hand over there. All right. Fire it up.
So you just started her, so she should need maybe just a little,
Nope.
little shot.
Brand new engine. Mags are right here.
Yeah.
And then quarter in.
Yeah.
And
quarter
brakes
it.
on.
Brakes on.
And
Okay.
you got to say it though.
Clear prop!
There you go. Hit it.
Just like always, huh? Unbelievable. Oh, my word. Doesn't it, when you sit in this seat, it just looks so good, the presentation looking out. You know, looking over the nose, watching the propeller spin, taxiing this airplane even. It's always been such a rewarding thing, just this presentation as the pilot. That's amazing. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Fully painted firewall, engine mount, brand new engine.
So the breather tube's the same.
Yeah.
The oil filter's the same.
We got to keep.
But look at this.
Stuff. Yep.
It's a little different. Oh my God. The new starter. Wow.
Champion gave us the harness and the plugs, and we had QAA, did all the magnetos. We found this on Facebook Marketplace in Michigan. We had to get it all the way from Michigan.
So what's the story with the engine?
So it was an Aranca Chief that the guy had that he was building, and he had the engine built in 2016, early 2017, and he never ended up getting around to doing that project. So it was in his climate-controlled garage on the stand since then.
Holy
It never was
mackerel.
even put on the airplane.
Wow.
So we were able to pick this up, and of course it's the exact same thing and all that. And it came with a propeller as well, so that propeller was there.
Wow.
And yeah, Skytech with the starter. Junior Avionics did all the install of the avionics. We were able to go through Kirk at Sarasota Avionics to purchase
super.
all the Garmin
Oh,
stuff.
nice.
So when you talk to him, you can tell
Give
him
him
that
a-
it's in and it's working. And then, I mean, the biggest unsung hero, and unfortunately couldn't be here today because he's at another airport working on another airplane, is Adam Snively and his gang, Chris and a couple other guys. But they spent hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours working on this airplane. They took the wings off at one point, took it to Plant City,
Yeah, and
And
then
then
it came back. I got the
we-
call.
yeah,
I think we were at
got the call,
Oshkosh or something.
because then Plant City's like, hey, by the way, we're going to redo all the hangars. You got to get everything out. And I'm like, no!
Oh.
So then we had to put the wings, take them back off again, bring everything back over here, and then put them back on again. So the wings have been on and off of this thing twice now.
And thank you for this touch.
Jimmy, my vinyl guy, it was his idea.
Yeah?
So he was the one who came up with that. And the stripe back, we had
Beautiful.
the front here, we wanted to keep it with the Art Deco kind of
Kind
feng
of,
shui.
yeah.
So that's what this is about, is that double, that arrow
Oh,
looking.
yeah.
No, it was such a pleasure to see it all come together. It really was.
Oh, cool.
And we haven't even got to fly it yet.